My teacher Louise keeps me safe at school, and all the teachers that I know. My parents keep me safe at home, and my older brothers. The police are keeping me safe whenever I go outside to play or shopping as they stop bad things from happening to me. The beach has safety rules. The public shopping malls have safety rules. The workplace has safety rules. And school has safety rules. Playing safe is really cool. We are learning to be safe at school as well as being safe in public. Dangers are all around us, but that can't hurt anyone when we have policemen, teachers, and family too.
Hello everybody and welcome to Room 1's Assembly. Today we are looking at Article 19. Every child, young person has the right to be protected from violence, abuse and neglect. So just think of this in a positive way. We are going to say the right to be safe. I've written a poem with Kirsty, so I'm going to read it to you. When I am safe, I can feel toasty warm. When I am safe, I can feel lukewarm. When I am safe, I can feel happy inside. When I'm safe, I can jump for joy. When I'm safe, I can sing like a bird. When I'm safe, I can do my work. When I'm safe, my confidence grows. When I'm safe, I can touch my toes. When I'm safe, I can balance a book. When I'm safe, I'm toasty warm. When I'm safe, I'm lukewarm. I've also asked some people if they'd like to produce a list of people who keep them safe. So this young person has sent me a list. He's actually sent me a quote as well. He's part of the steering group, and the steering group are also going to be telling us about global goals when we go back to school. This is something that they have been looking at. And he's tied it into Global Goal 11. So this is this young man from the steering group's list. Police officers, teachers, lifeguards, parents, firefighters, paramedics, park keepers, builders, security guards and government. And this is his quote. Golden Globe 11 is creating affordable, safe and sustainable transport systems, especially for children, women and individuals with disabilities. So well done. That was a lovely list, and linking it into the Golden Globe. I've also received a list from a pupil in my class, Room 1, Jamie Birchall, and Jamie has made a list of people that keep him safe. So he said his mum, his dad, Brandon, his brother, Josh, Charlie, Robbie, Izzy, Auntie Vicky, Uncle Jono, Auntie Amy, Uncle Pete, policemen, doctors, teachers, teaching assistants and Dave. So thank you for that, Jamie. So another person from Room 1 who has sent us a poster and themselves holding up their poster. So thank you for this page. Page is saying that people keep us safe are key workers, carers, hospital staff, teachers, TAs for keeping in touch with her in the lockdown. So thank you, Paige. Your poster is so colourful and lovely, and well done for making that. We've also had a lovely poem from Linda, so I'm going to read it to you. Who keeps me safe? When I was a baby, my parents looked after me, protected and loved me, kept me safe as can be. I grew up feeling safe and secure, wrapped in fluffy cotton wool, of them I was sure. Who else keeps us safe? Can you guess the rest? Grandparents, aunts and uncles, they all do their very best. Policemen, doctors and nurses, firemen, paramedics too. These are just some of the people who look after you. Don't forget school, we all feel safe there. Teachers, TAs and management, all willing to show they care. That's a lovely poem, Linda. Thank you so much for that. We also have a lovely poem by Evan. So this is Evan's poem. People all around me are here to keep me safe. Real brave police officers and firefighters. Online safety skills I learn at home and at school. Teachers, TAs and staff all care for me at school. Emergency paramedics are kind and clever. Caring doctors and nurses. The right to be safe and protected belongs to me and all children. My family love and care for me always. Everyone listens to my voice and hears my words and feelings. My safety poem by Evan. Article 19, the right to protection from violence, abuse and neglect. Thank you, Evan. That's a lovely poem. So thank you all for listening to this part. I'm now going to pass you on to Siobhan, who's going to read a poem, then on to Sophie and Renee. Look after yourselves, stay safe, and I hope you've enjoyed our assembly.
Key workers, so many to name, so I thought I would try and do. Everyone in health and social care, doctors, nurses, midwives, paramedics, social and care workers to name but just a few. Yet there are many, many more that belong to this long, long queue. Workers in local and national governments delivering the COVID-19 response. Others involved in transport, waste disposal, all attending to our wants. Religious staff and charity works who strive to give support. Keeping us safe, police, fire and rescue who keep us in their thought. Everyone in education, teachers, TAs, business and support staff there to help us every day. Remember too those who make sure we have food and necessary items, all to care for us in their own way. So to all I have mentioned and those I have surely missed, thank you. We're so grateful and so glad you're here to stay.
Hello everyone, I hope you're well and staying safe. So today's article is Article 19 and this is all about who keeps us safe. So I've got some pictures of who keeps us safe and see if you can think of any more. So we have got dentists who help us keep our teeth healthy and clean. Also they can help us if we're in pain due to our teeth. We have firefighters who do a great job at protecting us by putting out dangerous fires. They also help us by rescuing pets from hard places to reach. We have ambulance workers who help us when we are sick to give us the care that we need to feel better. Then we have lifeguards and they keep us safe when we are at the beach or at a swimming pool, and they help us if we are struggling to swim or need their help. I hope you've enjoyed our assembly this week on Article 19. Stay safe and see you soon. Bye.
Hi everyone, I hope you enjoyed Room 1's assembly on Article 19. You have the right to be protected from being badly treated or harmed. There are many people around us that continue to protect us. This includes police officers, doctors, nurses, your parents and carers, or even the teachers. I hope to see you all soon. Stay safe. Bye.